In this video I'm going to show you how to find an email account from a YouTube channel. First of all, open YouTube and then search a YouTube channel name. It's my YouTube channel. You can open any YouTube channel and then click on this channel icon, and from here click to more link. Now you can see an email account, and also you can find an email account by pressing view email address, and here will show a captcha. Just fill up this captcha and you can see the email account from this option. So I think this video is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.